Does your Android phone feel slower after a system update? Or maybe your phone keeps updating automatically without you even noticing. Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to stop automatic Android updates in under 1 minute. First, open your Android phone settings. And look at this. My phone is actually asking for a software update right now. Perfect timing. Now scroll down and find the Software Update menu, then tap on it. Inside here, you'll see an option called Auto Download. Just open that. To stop or remove automatic Android updates, simply choose the Never option. And done! Your Android phone will no longer download system updates automatically. Super quick, right? Now your phone won't randomly update itself anymore, and you'll have full control over system updates. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy Android tips.